What's up, our city gang? You feel? It's Saturday. We out here cooling. Saturday vibes. Feel me? So got a good friend of mine here. He gonna let us review his car. Go for a run. Ah. Like those. That's what I like. That'll make the rim pop up. I just like the rim, period.
Yeah, those are fresh. They're Corvette rep wheels, so they're meant to go on like the newer Stingray Corvette.
Right.
So it's double staggered. There's 10 in the back, 9 in the front, and
9 in the front?
yeah, 9-inch wide in the front. If you look at the spacer on the back tire, it's like at least an inch wheel
Right.
spacer.
Say, look, I can't even fit 2 fingers in there. And your tires are still good.
Just stock the N54, which is a twin turbo inline 6. It's a little dirty,
Yeah.
but it's still clean.
Dirty's not. That's it. It's an inline 6. It's twin turbo.
Yep.
What kind of turbochargers does it have?
They're upgraded stock ones. I bought them off of Vargas Turbos. It's out of California. They got some world record N54, N55 cars.
And what? How much horsepower does it have?
Right now it's sitting at 300, about 300 foot-pounds of torque, 300 horsepower. The wheels slow it down a little bit
Because they're so big.
Yeah. So if I threw some lightweight little wheels on it, it'd be able to spin them a lot easier.
Yeah, that looks good. It's still clean. Thought about getting the injury built?
It doesn't. It already comes with forged crank, pistons, and rods. So the thing's like already built.
Right.
Excuse me. The only thing that really goes wrong with them is like the seals. Like right now, it's got a slight oil pan gasket leak, and other than that, I replaced every other freaking seal on there. So it's automatic 4-door, but it parties.
Yeah, solid Videlli. Stock exhaust, stock muffler, stock everything else stock.
Everything, like that stock intake. If you put an intake, like charge pipe with a blow off valve on it,
Yeah.
it'll all sound a lot better. Because this exhaust is good for like 500 horse.
Right.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
It doesn't like restrict it.
Right.
Until you get like past 500. After that, then you'll have to get like probably 3-inch from the turbo back. You know what I mean? So open down pipe that way.
Right, yeah.
When you're wide open, it's just screaming.
And you drive. It's straight automatic. Or you ever think about changing the stick shift?
If I did,
or clutch?
If I put a lot of money into it, I would do the stick shift. But right now, like the auto slap shift that it's got like a double clutch and the automatic transmission.
Yeah.
So it's
Double clutch already makes the shifting time fast. Yeah.
But I like the controllability of a manual transmission.
Right.
So you can tell the car what to do because you're in control.
Right. You're in full
You're
control.
in, what RPM you're at. With this one, if you mat it, it wants to like just jack down to like the lowest gear it can, so it can max out the power or whatever. But
And what year is this?
07.
07.
335 high. Rear wheel drive. You got the XI, which is all wheel drive.
Okay.
So
Okay.
it's a M3 killer.
Really?
Yeah. Because the M3 don't have any turbos.
It does. The M4 does.
Well, yeah,
It depends
on
what you.
story.
The M4 starts where it is when it starts getting fast.
Right.
I'm guessing this is 4 series, 5 series, 3.
Yeah. Well, they got a 2 and a 1 series now, but
Yeah, now they do.
when they made when this year was, they only had the 3 series. They didn't series yet.
Really?
Yeah.
In 07?
Next body style after this one, Ford's now.
And it's clean too, white and black. Those are two. Tint. How tinted? Like legal tint or?
Any tint is illegal.
That's in New York State. It is.
You gotta know somebody that knows somebody.
Right. 338. You ever thought about? I mean, it might. If you was gonna put some money into it, would you put like titanium exhaust on there or something like that?
The only part I would do like titanium would be like the headers and shit.
No, put racing headers on it.
Yeah. Well, the turbo manifold. You know what I mean?
Right. Yeah.
So I would switch it from twin turbo to single turbo, because like you can get a lot more power out of one big ass turbo than two little ass turbos.
Right. What about your 350?
That one is becoming a drift car.
Okay, I was gonna say, would you make it a drift car?
Yeah,
like
I got
like
a kid
DK?
and everything, and so it's gonna take me about a year to save my pennies, but
yeah.
I gotta.
You gonna make it put a wide body kit on it?
It doesn't really need a wide body kit. It's already fucking wide as hell. I'm just doing an angle kit,
Right.
which is a lot of fab work because I gotta cut a hunk of metal out of the subframe and then weld in a new hunk of metal that replaces that, and then the whole suspension gets replaced on each side. You got knuckles, control arms, upper and lower. I gotta get coilovers, probably do DC.
Or your anti-roll bars be good?
Yeah, where I'm going with that car, I'll probably just take them off, because the front maybe I'll leave it on, but the back, take that shit off, because you want them motherfucker loosey-goosey, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Style for days when you're drifting it.
Yeah. You definitely need angle.
Right. Yeah, no, the Wise Fab gives 65 degrees. So that's pretty crazy.
Be the next Ken Block.
Can't be that guy. He's one and only.
Is it impossible?
What?
Be the next Ken Block?
Well, you gotta know some people.
He's like
I
50.
said. Yeah, no, he did it right.
He's like,
Made a dope ass video that went viral.
Yep.
And then continued to make the same dope ass videos.
Yeah. And got rich off of it.
Hell yeah. Gotta go for a ride or what?
Yeah. Take it for a spin. Put this in the car with Oh. Nice interior.
Yeah, it's clean. I like it.
Yes, you want 60 on the dash.
It won't do it.
It won't do it?
No, 155.
What? What's the highest you ever went in?
155.
155?
Mm-hmm. In Mexico.
In Mexico?
Yeah.
If you tune it where you go, well, yeah. If you did it here, they'll probably they'll take your license. But I don't know. So most I ever did ever was I think it was 112, 115, something like that. But that was in the truck. It was in a Dodge 2015 Dodge Durango RT.
Not bad.
Yeah. It's all-wheel drive, so it pushes.
You hear the whistle?
Yeah.
Put a whistle in my intake.
Really?
No, it's the turbo.
Oh, I was about to say what?
That's funny.
You get it started spooling.
Mm-hmm. He's saying they only push 8 psi, but they hit early, like 3,000 RPM.
Yeah.
So, and then bangs out to 7,000.
Have you seen Alex Choi's his new Lamborghini with the roll cage outside the car?
Mm-hmm. The rally gear.
Yeah, the Rallyghini.
I don't know if that's what he's calling it. That's what I would call it.
He calls it. It's called the Sheep something. I don't know. I forgot.
You edit these, or do you just upload them as is?
Oh, I upload them as is.
Right on. I was just wondering how you do it.
Oh yeah, cause I mean sometimes
One take is better than.
Yeah, sometimes uploading it. I mean, I'm not editing is a process. And
Right.
You don't really have time for it.
Right.
If I got the time and I really feel like editing, yeah, I'll edit. But
Right.
otherwise, no. It just feels like really extra work when you can just do it regular the first time.
She rides smooth.
Yeah, she rides smooth. For a rear wheel drive car, she rides smooth.
Right.
Because rear wheel drive cars usually don't. But when in turning, yeah, the corners, yeah. But when you get up to high gear, they start wanting to spin out.
Right.
Which is, that's the only. Yeah. See, she pushes.
Dude, I haven't even touched the pedal really.
What?
Dude, I love it. Even in 6th gear, the top gear, you just pushes the pedal and it fucking will pull. So, it's lovely.
Either later today or tomorrow. I got a friend that lives behind me. He has I think it's a 08 or something like that. The 3.6 Mustang, the 281.
This thing will smack the shit out of it.
Really?
Yeah. This thing, motherfucker, this guy.
Well, it's a BMW. So I expect.
328.
Oh yeah, it's a 328 too.
335.
Well, he got a V8.
He got a V8 in his BMW.
No, it's not a BMW. That's a Mustang.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
The smaller one, right?
It's the 3.6 liter.
It'll be a
281.
race.
Yeah. 281.
My cousin had one with the 351 Windsor motor. This is real old school, real fast.
I just saw not an old school. Well, I saw the old school at the Sunoco, but they didn't really go up to them. But I seen the 2015 ones. But he as soon as he took, he would just turn as soon as he touched the gas.
You
He
ready?
did something. Yeah. Yeah.
Third, we're doing what?
Third.
So. Rocket ship.
It's fast. What?
They're not happy.
Yeah. He's like, yeah. So it's fast. They all in here.
I thought I heard seen their head popping over the hill. Little chipmunks. That was only 45.
That was sounds like 1,000. It pushes though. Easy.
Turn traction control off. The wheels don't spin, but
Well, I mean, if the wheels are to spin, that'd be probably a problem, right? Because this is so low I can't even fit 2 fingers on it. That's like
Right.
it's not even air compressed.
the tires camber in.
Right. Okay. So that's why.
Yeah. Just pulls.
It sounds like.
I don't want to jump the hill.
Oh yeah. That's some real Ken Block shit right there.
Right.
And then
rides out.
Yeah. In the first like 3 gears, you really hear the sound, but after like 3rd gear, it starts to quiet down.
Because like by the time you get to 4th gear, you're already doing well over, I'd say 95. You're doing at least 120.
Right.
Starting to get a little loose because of the black shit on the road.
Yeah.
Those black lines. Like the tire will fucking just sit there and it'll wiggle around on it.
You think you can get your friends Mitsubi with this?
It'd be a close one.
Because the Subi has all-wheel drive. Right. That's what it is. Because it has more acceleration.
Yeah. I think he's definitely probably got this because he's got a built motor.
Oh yeah, he did say he got to rebuild. Most of that stuff on that thing is custom, right?
Well, it's not custom, it's all aftermarket.
Right, aftermarket.
Like body kit. We've got it strapped on so it's easy to come off.
Right. Oh, what, the hood?
Nah, the front bumper. Because it's so low.
Right. Yeah.
He was always fucking like smacking the tip of it off and it would just pull the whole fucking thing off. So
yeah.
he was like, alright, I'm gonna get some easy on off clamps and just zip tie the thing around it and it holds the bumper on.
Oh yeah, that's what they put, the little metal circle thing that they put on the front of the car. That's what those are.
What?
The little metal,
little circles?
Yeah.
Where the fender and the bumper meet.
Yeah.
Yeah.
They also do it with the hood too.
Yeah. Well, those are hood pins.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Like, you gotta pull a pin out.
Right.
And then the hood will come up. They got dope ones. The quick latches, I think they're called, for the hoods. You literally push a button and then it flops up this lever. Pull the lever and it pops the whole thing open.
This car, something. What is these this year and everything, like they go for, like base price? Now.
Nowadays, you can pick one of these up real cheap, depending on like condition. Pretty bad condition, you get it for like $3,000. If you want one in pristine condition, you're still gonna pay like $10,000.
Because
if you want
car?
one modded, you're still gonna pay anywhere between $15,000 to $20,000. So it's not that bad. This car was probably like $40,000 when it came out new.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Yeah. I mean, because it's a German car, they're good expensive.
Right. Yeah, it's a higher quality car for sure.
Yeah. And then higher quality parts, which means they're more expensive.
Right.
Like parts on, let's say, 4 Series would be more than parts on like a 4 Series or a 5 Series will be more than a Camaro SS or a 1LE.
Yeah.
Or I mean a M4 or M5.
Depending on the part.
Yeah. I like the new Camaros and the new Mustangs.
Right.
How they come? They actually come. You can get them stock with a small wide body on them. I like the look, but I also like the sound. The 850 horsepower that's in it.
Right.
I don't know. I don't know what they're gonna do. Ford gonna do next for the Mustang. They can't keep the 5.0 in there and just keep adding horsepower because the engine's gonna blow.
Right. Well, that's why they got the supercharged one. The Shelby motor.
Yeah.
That's supercharged. I think 5.0.
They probably did put the Shelby motor. I don't know, but I just know it had 850 horsepower.
Right.
And I mean, Chevy, they're fine. They can just keep going because they put a 6.2. They put it's a bigger block, well, a bigger displacement. So it works out well. I didn't expect that to come out of this car.
Right.
Did not expect that.
Yeah, it's just a little sleeper. It's just like a little 4-door party.
I don't know about sleeper, but because it pulls, and there goes a Corvette right there.
Right.
I seen just like, I don't know, maybe a week or two ago, that it was a Corvette looked like that, and it was a, you know, the red Honda Civic that rides around here.
There's a couple.
It's with a huge exhaust in the back, and that's really all it has.
Mm-hmm.
He was at the line with that and tried to race it, and it was horrible.
That was funny.
Horrible. Is that a Nova?
Something like it's old.
Wow. Gets nice out. Everybody pulls out something.
Right.
But okay, that's where we're gonna end off the vlog.
Wrap it up.
Wrap it up.
Thanks for having my car on your channel.
Thanks for letting us have your car on my channel. Okay, but that's the end. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, do what you guys do best, and we'll see you in the next video.